Early warning signs of diabetes that most medical professionals don't even know. Before we start with this video, I would like to ask you a simple question: do you know what's diabetes? Well, you probably know that diabetes is a condition where the amount of glucose in your blood is too high because your body can't use it properly. And the main reason for that is because your pancreas doesn't produce any or enough insulin to help glucose enter your body's cells. Or, the insulin produced by your body isn't working properly. You should also know that this condition is known as insulin resistance. Even though this disease is incurable, there are many different homemade remedies to control it and maintain it in the normal level. According to the latest statistics, more than 380 million people around the world are affected by this health problem. The medical experts say that diabetes takes more lives than AIDS and breast cancer combined, claiming the life of one American every 3 minutes. Diabetes is a leading cause of blindness, kidney failure, amputations, heart failure, and stroke. And remember, if you suffer from diabetes, it's very important for you to keep your blood sugar levels at normal range, in order to function properly. You should eat healthy and use different prescription or natural medications to relieve the unpleasant symptoms. Note, in this article we'll reveal the 5 most unexpected diabetes type 2 symptoms. Don't ignore these early warning signs, and if you notice any of them, you should see your doctor immediately. 1. Improved vision. Note, if you notice a sudden eye improvement and you no longer need your glasses, then you should see your doctor. Don't ignore the symptom. And don't get too excited because it's no miracle. Improved vision may indicate that you could be facing an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Howard Baum, MD, an assistant professor of medicine in the diabetes division at Vanderbilt University, says that even though foggy vision is usually considered a typical diabetes symptom, any sudden change in vision quality can indicate elevated sugar levels. Dr. Baum said that some patients told him that their vision has improved when their blood sugars were raised, and then after they begin treating their diabetes, they needed their glasses again. 2. Hearing loss. You should be very careful and you shouldn't ignore the symptom. This means that if you notice that your hearing isn't good like it used to be and you need someone to repeat the sentence for you, then you should check your blood sugar levels or see your doctor. A recent study, conducted by a group of experts at the National Institute of Health, has revealed that sudden impaired hearing can be a hidden sign of diabetes. The medical experts claim that diabetes damages the blood vessels and the inner ear nerves, which results in impaired hearing. In the individuals where the blood sugar is raised, the risk of facing some hearing issues is 30% higher than the individuals with normal and healthy sugar levels. 3. Constant itchiness. Note, if you experience constant itching sensations, then you should see your doctor right away. Many medical experts around the world claim that this is also one of the hidden symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Diabetes can cause poor circulation and lead to skin dryness and itchiness. Dr. Howard also adds that some of his newly diagnosed patients revealed that they are experiencing an itching sensation in their extremities. And this is why he highly recommends that the doctors should consider the relation between itchiness and other symptoms. If you've noticed excruciating itchiness which doesn't go away, visit a doctor and get your blood sugar levels tested. As we said, don't ignore these early warning signs and symptoms, and if you notice any of them, you should visit your doctor immediately. 4. Worsened skin quality. This means that if you notice any skin changes, then you should know that you're at risk of diabetes. And once again, you should see your doctor. Note, if you notice dark blemishes on the folds of your skin, usually on the elbows, joints or the back of the neck, you need to see a doctor and test your blood sugar level because you could be suffering from diabetes. The medical experts say that these symptoms could happen due to genetics or hormonal conditions. And they also say that they could be a symptom of increased blood sugar levels too. Elevated insulin levels are stimulating the growth of skin cells and melanin, which is a pigment in the cells and gives the dark color of the blemishes. Note, you should know that a simple blood test can reveal whether the patient is really suffering from diabetes or he just has elevated sugar levels. In either cases, the patient needs to adapt his lifestyle to reduce his risk and improve the overall state. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.